Alright, we're going to look inside the Rainforest Cafe. It looks awesome. It's like a temple, kind of. It's got like storms and stuff, and the whole place actually shakes. Yeah, it is really, really cool. You can see the fish and stuff. Yeah, see, that's where you sit at. Oh, look at these. What does it do? I guess that's about it. So, that's it for this video, you guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.